I'm so proud of myself, y'all. I went to the gym. It's 2025 and we got goals to smash this year. So I went to the gym and let me just give myself a little pat on the back. Because me and my girls, me, myself, and I, we did that. I'm so excited, y'all. I feel so good. I got up. I went to the gym this morning. It's 2025 and we got goals to smash. One of my goals is to lose 30 pounds this year, a minimum of 30 pounds this year. I feel like my weight is just kind of fluctuating up and down, and I feel it. And I feel it when I lose it. I feel it when I gain it back. So one of my goals this year is to lose at least 30 pounds. And I feel like that's doable because, I mean, you could really easily lose more than 30 pounds in a year. So 30 pounds, you can lose that really in 3 months. I mean, if you're consistently working out, eating right, or whatever, you know, your plan is, you can lose 10 pounds in a month. So I'm not pushing myself like that. I'm just setting a goal and I'm going to work towards that goal. And if I lose more, that's fine. That's fantastic. But that's one of my goals this year. And maybe I'll share some more of my other goals with you guys a little bit later on. But yeah, I got up. I got a gym membership this year. So I got up and I went to the gym and worked out a little bit. And, you know, I just really want to kind of push myself to like increase my time, increase my workout, increase what I'm doing, increase like the amount of calories that I'm burning. And then really just kind of like watching what I eat. I want to cut out carbs. Not cut them out, but cut down on carbs, and really eat like more proteins, vegetables, and fruit, and just really just kind of, you know, do what I can do. My main goal is to be consistent because I feel like sometimes I always set my sights like too high too soon, and then I end up burning and crashing out. So I just want to be consistent. I'm proud of myself. Got up, went to the gym. And it's beautiful today. It's nice and sunny, but it is cold. But I think I'm gonna head down by the lake and just catch a little vibe and keep my mood high for the day. I'm off today. It's my day of mourning. Even though I'm off today, let me clarify. It's my day of mourning for the federal government because President Jimmy Carter died. And anytime a president dies, then, you know, basically they give us a day off because all of DC, Washington, DC is off because that's where they're having a funeral. So they basically give us a day off. And so it's my day of mourning and I want to be purposeful in this day and getting some things done because we got some snow coming. We got to prepare for the snow and I got a few things that I want to get done. But I think I'm going to go down by the lake and just kind of catch a little vibe. And yeah, I think I'm gonna just go down there and catch a little vibe. It's nice and sunny and beautiful. And I think I'm gonna get out and walk a little bit so I can get a little bit closer to the water. I didn't even eat anything this morning. I just ran out the door so I could get to the gym before it got crowded. So I just got a protein shake and I'm just going to drink my protein shake. I think Kemar went to go get his hair done and I got a few things I want to do. I want to clean off the patio because I didn't even clean it off from when it was storming a couple of weeks ago. And everything was just all over the place, blowing. So I was like, it don't make no sense to keep going out there straightening it up because the wind was like really doing its thing. And so we got some snow coming, the first snow of the year. And I really do think that it is going to snow. because we got this cold front coming through. Well, actually, it's already started. They said it was like a cold front coming through for the next 2 weeks. A lot of snow. And oh my God, in California. If anybody lives in California, my heart goes out to you all living in California, in the Southern California area, with all those fires and homes burning down. I saw a man on TV, and he was saying that his wife was like, you know, we got to go. We got to get out of the house. And he said he's been in LA for like 30 years. And so he didn't really take it serious. So when they left, he didn't grab anything. He didn't take anything. They just left, and they were like, we'll be back. And when they came back, the whole house was burned down. Oh my God, I just cannot imagine. Like, those wildfires are crazy in California right now. But yeah, we got a cold front coming through, a lot of snow. Washington, D.C. already has a lot of snow. And we're expecting some snow, and I do believe that we're going to get some snow. So it'll be the first snow of the year, and it should be pretty. Yeah, so I want to clean off the patio and kind of clean up the house a little bit. That's something I just want to do anyway. But as far as the snow, I need to run to the store and pick up a few things. No, I'm not running to buy bread and milk. Because whenever we have some snow coming, everybody always runs out and buy water, bread, milk, and I don't know why. I don't know why we do that. But I'm not running out to buy none of those things. I just want to go and pick up some stuff to make some juice, because I've been juicing a little bit, so I want to make some juice. And I don't know if I need any groceries. I don't know if I need any groceries, because I went to the grocery store the other day, but I might just do Amazon and let them bring some stuff by. But I'm gonna get out and go and get a little bit closer to the water. Look at this right here, y'all. This the real glow up right here. This how I'm trying to be all year. Mood 2025. When you see me, I want to be shining just like this. I want the aura of God all around me, just like this. Thank you, Lord. Ooh, child. It's beautiful, but Lord, it's cold. Ooh.
So guys, it is a very beautiful day, but it is cold outside, guys. And of course, wifey set me an ear appointment, and wifey's in the street running some errand at this moment. So I hope she be safe. I hope the good Lord protect her, and thanks to wifey to set me an ear appointment. Every other month when I am off, I like to get my ear done. So right now I am heading out to get my ear done. So I will see you at the hairdresser. Hey. Hey. Where should I just sit? You can sit anywhere. All right.
Shampoo in there for a minute. Yeah.
So I just now finished getting my ear washed, and I am in the hairdresser seat waiting patiently for her to start my hair. So guys, my hair is about to start right now.
Oh, that was my cue to say something. What's up, y'all? My name is Alexis. I don't even know what to say.
So we're here with Alexis.
Yeah, Alexis. Sade's Beauty on Instagram.
Yep.
My style feed is on there. I do locks, natural hairstyles, braids, anything, everything. Check me out.
Where is the shop located then?
The whole address?
Yeah.
You don't care? Okay, it's 1501 West Boulevard, Charlotte, North Carolina. Come check me out. Oh, you can't even see me. Hey, y'all. And like, especially on like TikTok and stuff, how they be having like the microphones, or the little piece that like go on your shirt and stuff like that.
Yeah. Yeah, basically maybe I could have something for my GoPro like that, but I have other cameras with something like that. But I never checked out if something like that could actually work with the GoPro.
Oh, okay.
Yes, but I know what you're talking about. I have a camera, I have another camera at home because I have like several different cameras because we really invested in them. Yes.
Okay, turn around.
So I'm there here in an old Navy. So guys, the barber shop is full because I didn't make an appointment. It was just an actual walk-in. So I just actually leave my number and they said they will give me a call when there's a slot. So as I'm saying, the barber shop is on the mall, so I'm just here just walking and just browsing. You know, they will give me a call when they're ready. I was in Old Navy earlier on. Just looking at some sneakers. Reebok here hot. Look like one Jordan. Would I rock it, you know? Finally arrived at the barber shop. And the barber shop is basically on the mall, guys. So how can I come at the barber shop and don't check out what's going on in the store? No grease. Let's check it out. What's going on, son? Just left a barber shop. Look at it. Sharp. My boy, man. My boy. Sharp. Sharp. My boy. Going home to Catania to see what she think of this new look, guys. Ooh, I love it. Yeah, man.
So I want to clean up the patio because Mother Nature came through and did a number 2 a couple of weeks ago, and everything was not everything. Everything was everywhere, as you can see. So I want to come out here and clean it up because we are expecting some snow over the next 2 days, even though it's probably not going to be a lot. They said maybe 1 to 3 inches. So it probably won't be a lot, but I just want to kind of clean it up and tie up the curtains so that so much snow doesn't fill the patio, just in case the wind is blowing. So, Mr. Kimar. Ooh, sexy, sexy. Come here. Let me see how you looking. Handsome. It's cold, I know. Go inside. But you going on the road? Oh, okay. I'm gonna clean up the patio, and I put some potatoes in the oven, so I'm gonna cook in a little bit.
I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow, I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt a glow. The warmth inside me, it kept me afloat. It felt like heaven had found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. Best friend to 23. I heard the heavens crying above me. They gained an angel, I lost a friend. I felt like dying again and again. I went through hell, scared of death, but I keep fighting with each living breath. I saw no way out from where I stood.
So I'm gonna show you guys my vision board and share some of my goals with you guys. And I don't really have a lot of time because it's almost 6 o'clock and I want to start cooking. I ended up having to go to Super G because Harris Teeter was crowded and they didn't have nothing. Shelves were empty, and like I said, everybody goes for the bread and the milk, and I wasn't looking for either one of those. But just some other stuff that I was looking for, they didn't have either, and plus they were just super crowded. So I ended up going to Super G, which kind of worked out better because I was able to get some other stuff for Kimar that Harris Teeter definitely wouldn't have had. I just wasn't planning on going to Super G today, but surprisingly, they were not as crowded. So I guess it's only us meaning us Americans that run to the store and buy out everything. But anyway, I'm gonna share my vision board, some of my goals. So let me take the camera down and kind of show you guys some of my goals that I have. I want to create like a nighttime routine, maybe do 3 hikes. I want to learn a little bit more about investing in stocks and trading. Maybe fast 1 day per month, start a new morning and skincare routine. I do want to read 3 books in the Bible this year. A couple of years ago, I read the Bible in its entirety, but you know, you can never get enough of it, so I want to read at least 3 books this year. Take a solo trip. I do want to try to run like a 5K, which I think that's about 3 miles. Walk or run, but just do a 5K. I also want to try an African restaurant. I've never had African food. I want to consistently walk 30 minutes 3 to 5 times per week, and that's outside of, you know, going to the gym. I do want to learn to play the piano. I have like some goals that I want to do to learn something that I don't know how to do. Of course, there's my 30 pounds. I want to grow my Instagram to 1,000 followers. I do want to visit 2 countries and try to run at least a mile nonstop, even if it's just like a slow jog. So I want to kind of get out to the track and kind of do some laps, because that's easier for me to kind of keep up with. I know 4 laps is a mile. And even though, you know, I have my watch and it'll kind of beat when you made it a mile too, but I want to get out there and just kind of start building my way up to be able to run a mile without stopping. So those are some of my goals for the year, and I think that they're all doable. You know, I tried to come up with things that weren't like things that I really want to do, but not really like out of reach. Like sometimes I think my mind stretches too far. And even though I believe like we could do anything we set our mind to, but you still got to have the right mindset. So I just had like some things that I still really wanted to do, and I think that they're attainable. So so that's what I'm going to be working on this year. So what are your guys' goals? Drop it in the comments. Let me know, you know, what plans you have for the year so that we can support one another, and also, you know, just kind of encourage one another as well. So it's very cold this morning. The patio is nice and calm right now, and the curtains are all closed up. So patio is good to go, but it's real cold out here. It's looking real cold. I mean, it looks cold, but we're gonna take a peek outside and see if we got a snow sky. Ooh, it's cold. Not quite. Let me put on my jacket. I put on my coat because it's cold out here. It's cold. It ain't freezing, but it's cold. So I'm gonna flip it back around. And it's not a snow sky as of yet. It's cloudy and overcast, and I can hear, or I can see, I can hear the birds chirping. That's what I was gonna say. But I can see the clouds just kind of moving slowly. But not a snow sky as of yet. So for those of you who may not know what a snow sky is, because you can tell when it's gonna snow. Like the sky will be like crisp white. So right now it's still kind of like white / grayish. So not really a snow sky as of yet. But it's definitely cold out there, and it calls for some hot food. I wanted a salad last night, but I ended up making some lamb chops and baked potato and some broccoli. But it definitely calls for some hot food, and I'm gonna make some soup. It's soup weather, and I've been saying that I was gonna make some navy bean soup. So that's what I'm gonna make today. Put it in the crock pot, and I probably should have soaked these beans last night because you guys can see. It's navy beans. It's just white beans. My mom used to make this all the time when we were kids. And so that's what I'm gonna make today with some cornbread. And my mom uses like ham hocks, but Kimar doesn't eat pork, so I'm just gonna use some turkey wings. So, and I think one bag should be enough. I probably should have soaked these last night so that I could have put them on this morning, but I wasn't even thinking. I didn't even go to the gym this morning. Can I tell y'all a secret? Because we keep secrets around here. Not really. Kimar doesn't even know I got a gym membership. I didn't even tell him. Yesterday he was like, you gonna go out and run some errands? And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go out and run some errands. I didn't even tell him. So he'll see this video when it goes up, because I'm gonna try to keep it from him. And he'll see that I went to the gym. So I wanted to go walking because the snow was supposed to come this afternoon. So I didn't even get up and go to the gym. But I wanted to go walking. So I maybe have to put on a hoodie. And hopefully that'll keep me warm enough to walk out on the main road. So I'm gonna soak these beans. My mom said they can soak for about an hour. So I'm just gonna put some water in them and let them sit for about an hour. Then I'm gonna put them on in the crock pot. I don't know if I should put a lid on that, but I think it's okay. But you know what? I also wanted to clarify. Let me zoom this in a little bit. I think that's good. So I also wanted to clarify from our last vlog what we were talking about as far as like our YouTube journey and growing, and blogging is hard. We're not saying or complaining like, oh, we're only at 21,000. We're saying, wow, we're at 21,000, and we can't believe it because we just started this channel, you know, a couple of years ago. And blogging is hard. Blogging really is hard. It's one of the harder channels to grow, but right now it's still kind of like a hobby for us. Like, we like to do it, but I don't want people to misunderstand what we're saying. We're basically saying like, wow, we're at 21,000 subscribers, and you have channels that do specifically entertainment, because people love drama. I mean, you can watch any reality show and you see people just fighting and throwing things and cursing and making a scene, and that's what people love to see. But I'm way too grown to be on national TV arguing and throwing things at my man just to get some attention. Like, that ain't gonna happen. And even though Kimar is younger than me, Kimar is an old soul, Kimar ain't gonna do that either. So what I was basically trying to say, because I think the conversation kind of, you know, went long-winded, and we didn't really, when I look back at it, we didn't really convey what we were trying to say. Is that we're not going to do anything that's going to bring, you know, we're not going to do any drama just to boost our channel or just to grow our channel. Because we have gotten interest from people producers who are interested in us doing a reality show with like other age gap couples. But, you know, you can tell like when we meet with them, like the questions that they're asking, they want some drama. And we're not going to really bring any, like, we're not going to just do drama just to boost our channel. YouTube is still a hobby for us right now, but we're very proud of, you know, our growth and how far we have come, because we are at 21,000 subscribers. So thank you for all 21,000 of you. And it would be nice if all 21,000 of you watched every video. But we know people are busy. We know YouTube doesn't show, you know, push the content out all the time, or just whatever the case is. Like, you got to really understand YouTube and the algorithm and really all social media platforms. But basically we were just saying like we were proud of our growth. So I don't want people to get the wrong impression about, you know, what we were saying. And basically, you know, that's all we were trying to say. You know, if we do something, if I do something or Kimar does something that we have to work through or something like that, that's one thing. But I'm not going to intentionally bring drama just to grow the channel. So anyway, got that out the way. And now it's time to make some juice. I want to make some green juice because I've had these pineapples and I don't even know if they're still any good. But I've had them for, I guess I got them a couple of days ago, 4 days ago. So I want to make some juice so they don't go bad. And I think I'm going to bring the camera closer. And I want to get everything and go ahead and wash it off. So I can just kind of cut it up and juice it all at once. And of course I ain't got the 2 jars. I don't even know what Kmart does with the jars. I guess he takes them to work and they just don't return home. Takes them out on the road, they don't return home. So I got 2 jars. I'm gonna have to buy me some jars. And hide them. Ooh, that is good. So I'm back outside and you guys see the sky? It's turning white. It's turning white. They say the snow is going to start this afternoon, maybe around 2.
You know, not fill it all the way up to the top, but about midways or something, you know, because you got that vegetable.
My mama came over here just in time. She stopped by. And I was just about to call her and ask her, what do I need to put? Hi. Hi, YouTube. I was about to call her and ask her, what do I need to put in these beans as far as seasoning? But she said just some salt and pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and put my beans on. Mama, you think they're going to be done by this evening? They don't take long?
Especially if you soak it, let it soften them up.
Oh, okay. Look at my mama. She look cute in her pink.
I got my boots to match.
Okay. Let me see your shoes. Your boots. Oh, those are cute.
Everybody asks me about them.
Uh-huh. Those are cute.
People be stopping me. Oh, they're so cute. Thank you. Now I just need a nice, good-looking, tall, dark man to walk up and say, oh, I like your boots.
Okay.
I think I'm going to leave out here and go to Lowe's.
I told her it was some men in the gym yesterday, some older men.
Oh, okay.
So she said she about to head to Lowe's and buy her a man.
Right.
Hi. So my mama is leaving, and these are my beans. And I just added some thyme and some bay leaves over in there, just because. So we're going to see how they turn out. But it looks good already, uncooked. I don't know if you guys can catch the snow flurries on the camera, but the snow has started to fall right at 2 o'clock, just like they said. So hopefully Kmart will be home before it starts to get messy.
Like guys, as you can see, I am on the job. It's so cold out here. Like this is our first snow from the winter start in Charlotte, North Carolina. And it's coming down, but you guys can't see it as yet because it's just now started. But yeah, you don't know. Get up this morning, make sure I have on the right gears. But my body eat, you know, I never know that I could work outside. This is actually my first job working outside in America. From I have been to America, I am working like inside of a building, not outside. But I guess it's not so bad, you know what I mean? I am out here, I am focused on the job, getting the job done. And when you walk in and you keep walking and you pay less attention, I guess it's a mind over matter thing. You pay less attention to the weather. Just have fun and do your job, you know. I guess your body will generate its own heat and help to keep you warm, if you understand what I am saying. But yeah guys, I am out here and it's not so bad. It's actually, I am actually kind of warm, but it's really cold out here. Even just now I delivered the mail to a guy and he was looking like, all the male people looking at me like, man, where is your gloves? You don't have no gloves. And it's freezing temperature cold out here, but I'm telling them like, no, I'm feeling warm. I guess my body generates that heat naturally, you know what I mean? Because when Father God creates us, he know that he creates us for the world and for everything that's happening. You know, he know what's happening, he know what we're going to face. So he prepared us for all of this. So yeah guys, we out here getting the job done. As you can see, a little bit of ice is falling on me. Let me know if you guys seeing the snow. It's coming down. Yeah, it's coming down guys. Bless up to Katania. Katania at home. You don't know Katania work from home. In the house, in the nice warm house. I hope she prepare me a nice warm meal when I get home guys. Because I am out here in the cold, just trying to make it guys. But yeah man, bless up, give thanks for life, you know, give thanks for all things. It could have been worse, you know. Yeah. And I get a few trays of mail today and I am getting it done, you know what I mean. So we out here, it's USPS. Big up, give thanks for life. USPS is hiring guys. Come over and get you a job guys. Blessings. So as you guys can see, it's start to snowing. Yes guys, it definitely started snowing. And in Charlotte, we don't really get a lot of snow, you know what I mean? We get call on the news that we're going to have snow. But whenever we have snow, it's just like 1 feet, you know what I mean? Basically, as it falls to the ground, it kinda dries up back by itself, you know what I mean? Here we go, a little snow around this tree, looking beautiful. It's snowing guys. Yeah man guys, it's snowing. And I know you're seeing the snow on me.
Are you with the mail truck?
Yes ma'am.
I was gonna go through to mail these because I missed you.
Oh,
Can I
no
give them
problem.
to you?
Yes, I will take them from you.
Thank you so much.
No problem ma'am. Be safe and stay warm, alright?
Okay, thank you.
Alright. Yeah guys, so this is the end of the route for me. This is the end of the day. And I finish on a pretty decent time, you know what I mean? So I'm going to go home right now, check in with wife to see what's for dinner and try to see if I could stay warm guys. It's snowing. Woo! Bless up, give thanks for life, man. It's snowing out here guys. Well, it's a wrap guys. We made it back safe. Safety is our first priority guys. Be safe out there, get the job done. That is it.
So this is the soup. And it actually smells so good in here. And the soup tastes pretty good. I put some carrots and onions and celery in there. And sorry guys, the camera's fogging up. It's hot, but it's good. And I actually added some all-purpose seasoning, Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, and onion powder and garlic powder in mine as well. And I've been cooking it on high for about 4 hours. And I got the cornbread coming out of the oven. Ooh, isn't that beautiful? Let me show y'all how they played us. They, being the weatherman, Mr. News Forecaster for the weather, you played me. This is how we looking this morning. Where's the snow? I thought I was gonna wake up to a winter wonderland, but all I see is ice. Ice. Ice, ice, baby. Look at this. Just ice. Just ice. And no snow. Kimar say I played myself. She said I always believe these weathermen. They was right about one thing though. I mean, the snow started at 2 o'clock right on time. But that's all we got. Shaking my head.